What's going on, everybody? It's your man Cleveland Terry, and today we are going to be answering 3 questions that have been asked all through my Stanton STX video about things that it should do, or things that it doesn't do, or things that they don't know if it does or not. So I've had these questions asked. I'm going to answer them because I think they are kind of important, especially if you're looking to buy this particular product. So we're going to go through these questions today. Let's talk about it. All right, so if you're new to this is what we do. We talk about all things DJ related, whether that be DJ business, DJ gig logs, DJ tips and tricks, and DJ gear reviews. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you hit that like button and hit that subscribe button with the notification on so you know the next time that I post new content, as I will be posting a lot of new content. But I did this video last week and I did have several questions that were asked. Let's talk about the first one. This is going to be an easy one. Question number 1. Can you play 12-inch records? Let's test it out. As you can see here, there is no way to play 12-inch records in its current form because it's hard to see here. Right here where the arm is, this prevents you from going any farther. So no, the answer is no. All right, question number 2. Can you record audio in your USB as you're recording? When you cut out the fader, does the sound cut out on the recording? Apparently, a lot of other ones don't do that. So we're going to demonstrate that right now. What we're going to do here is you're going to basically hear the recording of how it sounds, because I'm recording through the USB right now, so you'll be able to hear exactly what it sounds like. But let me get to a song. Bring it. So to answer your question, it absolutely cuts out the track if you go far left on the fader to cut out the sound. All right, the last thing we are going to talk about, can it be used with algorithm DJ? Okay, well, let's test it out. We want to grab our Serato record. You can get these things online. I forget where I got it. I got it a long time ago, but I do know that they make them, and I think Serato makes 7-inch records now too. Okay, so Serato, let's listen for the tone. Okay, there's our tone. All right, we'll calibrate. Signal is very loud in my clip. Okay, excessive noise. This thing's picky, man. So we are good. We're gonna finish anyway. Done. Scratch tools. Okay, so what I noticed is, see where my volume is. It's got to be loud enough for it to register the tone. See, no tone. It's at 9 o'clock right now, and it is very, very distorted. Let's bring it up to 12. And that one's a little bit, so let's bring it up to around 2 o'clock. There you have it. Pretty straightforward. 3 main questions I know a lot of people were asking for. We did not try DJ with phase. Well, let's see if that's even possible. Oh, yeah. Bonus question answered. All right, guys, if you found what I did here useful, hit that like button. If you found what I did really... All right, guys, if you found what I did here useful, hit that like button. If you found what I did here really useful, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you follow me on the Instagrams and the Twitters. Get on my Discord, because that's where we're talking about all things Cleveland Terry. Guys, girls, always a pleasure. I'll talk to you later. We'll talk soon. Peace.